Okay, it's taken about an hour and a half to scrub pretty much the whole frame with a wire brush, and I've got the brake lines off of it and that hard fuel line. So now I'm just going to wheel it back out and get probably some purple power or something, and like a SOS, a Scotch-Brite pad, and scrub it clean, and then it should be ready for primer. So that's about 5 hours, which brings our total to 12 hours. I'm not where I wanted to be, obviously. I was hoping I would have some paint on the thing. Doing the brakes and shocks, that does not take very long at all, like a couple hours max to stick the shocks in there and throw some new brakes on there. I did discover I'm short one pair of wheel cylinders for the front, so I got those ordered today. And I probably need another hour to clean the frame and get in all these little pockets, you know, to get all that old dirt and gunk out before it can take paint. So I'll pick back up next time.
Thanks for watching.